guys, Chance here again, opening up this month's Ipsy. This month the bag is kind of like a blush color, but it looks more nude. I also like this month's little Ipsy zipper handle. Alright, so this month's theme was unzipped, which was loving yourself, though that's why they posed in their underwear. And it says, being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. Hashtag unzipped. And you can read that. So that's a pretty cool concept. The first item I seen here in this big packaging is this Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from It. And it says it's full coverage, highly pigmented, won't crease or crack. So I've never used this before. And this is what it's supposed to look like after you use it. I'm ready to use this as concealer, and it is medium tan, which I don't know if it'll suit me or not because I'm medium in my tone, but I'm not medium in concealer. I'm like light, so I could brighten my under eye. So I don't know. Let's just check the color out. Okay, that's pretty light. Ooh, that is full coverage. It feels light, but it's like thick, you know. I just barely put a little bit and it like covered almost my whole hand. Next item is skincare, yes, and it's from Sand and Sky, and it's Brilliant Skin Detoxify Plus Brightens, and it's a purifying pink clay mask. I don't know if it's actually pink, we'll see. But here is that, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not all the way full. It's like till right here. I don't know, I have to probably shed some light on it, but I could see when I look in the sunlight. And it comes with a little seal, and it says this product contains vitamin A, used with caution, and then it doesn't tell you any other directions. Well, like I've said in my previous video, if you don't know how to use these, you could go on Ipsy's app or log in online, and they give you directions on how to use everything. And if you want to buy this full size, it gives you a direct link, and it also tells you if you could save some money, like as in get cash back through Ipsy if you buy some stuff that they're affiliated with. So let's actually see if this is pink or not. It doesn't smell like anything. So here's that. Ooh, okay, it's actually pretty pink. And I'm guessing you're supposed to use this as a clay and then wash it off after 15 minutes. It doesn't say that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Next item I will put a picture up and talk about. It's from Pacifica. It's an eyeshadow palette. I personally have way too many eyeshadow palettes, and I don't need like a small one. The colors were pretty good, like they're pigmented. I've seen swatches. It's called Beach Crystals, and a lot of people really wanted it, so I just gave it to somebody because I wasn't going to use it. So that was the third item. Number 4 is this Ofra liquid lipstick in collaboration with Ipsy, and it's called Ipsy Unzipped, and it says you could use code Ipsy30 for 30% off of Ofra. And this is like a light pink color. When I swatched it, it looked purple, and I thought it was going to be much lighter than what this is, but I'll swatch it again and show you guys how it looks like. So it's pretty big, but not as big as the Ofra liquid lipsticks, but it's a decent size liquid lipstick. And I'll swatch it right here. Ooh, it's more like a berry color. Whoa, 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 that is a berry color. What the heck? I'll show you guys how it looked like on when it showed me what I'm getting in my bag. It looked super light. So I was a little afraid, but that's straight up berry. I don't know if I could wear this today because I have some orange and teal going on. Whoa, okay, so this, when I put it on, it was definitely light, and now it's like turning white. It kind of would have been cool if it would have turned pink, so that's what it says on it, but it looks like toothpaste. It smells like a typical mask, a charcoal mask, so I'm assuming you're supposed to keep it on until it dries and then wash it off. So that's how you use it. And then the concealer is looking, I mean, if I were to set it. And last item in here is this Farah angled contour brush. I don't know if you guys remember, but months ago I got this bronzer. It had like little cheetah prints on it. It was like the Bitten and Bronze, something like that. and it was purple, and this would go perfect with it. But I don't know if I'm gonna use this since I have so many contour brushes, and I only contour like barely. But I mean, I did today a little bit. But yeah, this brush is super soft. Oh, I kind of want to keep this. It'll match that so good. I don't know. I'll see if someone wants it, then I'll give it to them, or else it's mine. But it looks like this. Never heard of this company before. It's quite fluffy, and it's, oh my god, it is utterly so soft. It's all purple, and it says "Be beautiful, be you." Oh my god, that's so cute. And I like that Ipsy gives out full-size brushes all the time. I am only interested in eye brushes at the moment. I have so many face brushes and I cannot, but I found my favorite highlighting brush that I highlight with every day in one of my Ipsys, so I don't know, maybe I could find something else. But it says www.farahbrushes.com in case you want to buy this, or if you're subscribed to Ipsy, you could go on their app and then just click. I think you could get cash back from this. That was all in my Ipsy. Let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you've tried so far. I like the concealer. I'll probably use this because I love skincare. The brush, I don't know yet, but it's super soft, and if you guys like purple and you want to try new face brushes, you could, you know, check that out. And then the eyeshadow palette was beautifully swatched by some people, but I didn't open it at all and I just gave it away. And the last item was the liquid lipstick, which I thought was going to be super light, but it's actually gonna suit me. I'll put it on sometime. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like the video if you like it, obviously, and I will see you in my next one.